Have you ever taken Postinor 1 or Postinor 2 and wondered, am I doing this right? Or maybe you've heard different stories about how it works, its side effects, and whether it's safe. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 10 important facts about Postinor that every woman should know before using it. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. I'm a registered nurse midwife with a BNSC degree. On this channel, we talk about all things health. If these are the type of content you're interested in, please do not make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. With that being said, let's dive straight into the video. The first one is Postinor is an emergency contraceptive and not something you take every time you have sexual intercourse. Basically, it is meant for unexpected situations like unplanned unprotected sex, rape, condom breakage, or when you miss birth control pills. There are a lot of people out there who have sexual intercourse twice, 4 times, every day. And guess what? These people take Postinor too every time they have sexual intercourse. Please, if you find yourself relying on Postinor 2 regularly or every single time you have sexual intercourse, please, it is time for you to explore other contraceptive options because that is totally wrong. You might just end up causing more harm and damage to your body. The second one is Postinor is not an abortion pill. Many women think they can take Postinor 2 after they realize they are pregnant. Well, that is false. Postinor is not used to prevent pregnancy. Postinor only works as an emergency contraceptive to prevent pregnancy before it starts, not after fertilization has already happened. So it is not an abortion pill. It only works to delay your ovulation. The third one is avoid self-prescription. Some women buy Postinor and take it the wrong way without reading the instructions. Did you know that many ladies mistakenly swallow 2 tablets at once? When you are actually supposed to take one first, then take the second one after a specific number of hours. Please ensure to always read the instructions carefully before taking your Postinor. Or if you're unsure, you could always ask a pharmacist. The fourth one is timing. Timing is everything. For Postinor 2 to work effectively, the sooner you take it after unprotected sex, the better it works. The best time to take it is as soon as possible, within 24 hours, though it can still work within 72 hours, but the effectiveness drops. So it is always better to take it as soon as possible because waiting for too long can increase your risk of pregnancy. So don't delay, just take it as soon as possible. The fifth one is Postinor has side effects. Yes, just like every other medication, Postinor has its own side effects. It can cause nausea, vomiting, headache, fatigue, irregular period, or spotting. So it has its own side effects. Now, let's say you vomited within 2 hours of taking the medication. You may need to take another dose. That brings us to the sixth point, which is Postinor is not meant for everyone. Now, if you have underlying health issues like diabetes, hypertension, liver disease, or any other underlying health issues, you should communicate with your doctor before using or taking Postinor because it might not be safe for you. Always consult with your doctor before you take Postinor. The seventh one is how effective is it? Now, research shows that Postinor reduces the risk of pregnancy by 85%. So it is not 100% guaranteed. That is why it is important for you to read the leaflet and follow instructions closely. The earlier you take it, the better it works. If you're already ovulating, so just take your mind off it because you've missed it already. One thing you must know is that weight matters. Studies also suggest that it may be less effective for women who are obese or overweight. If you are obese or overweight, it is important for you to speak to your doctor before taking Postinor 2 because you might need a higher dose. Please don't say because I said you need a higher dose, you just buy and take a higher dose. No. Always consult with your doctor. He'll be able to tell you the appropriate dose for you to take that would be effective for you. Number 8 is beware of fake Postinor. Yes, there are fake version of Postinor out there. They are everywhere in the markets, in pharmacies. They are everywhere. Because is there anything that doesn't have fake these days? Always ensure you buy from reputable pharmacies, well-known pharmacies. That's the only way you'll be sure that you are getting the original Postinor. And ensure you're checking for original packaging and manufacturer details. This way you'll be able to tell that you are actually getting the original Postinor, because fake pills can be dangerous for your health. Aside from the fact that it's not even going to work, don't take risk with your health. Very important. The ninth point is Postinor doesn't cause infertility. Now, there is this common myth out there that using Postinor 2 will make you unable to have kids later on in future. Please, this is not true. If used correctly and following the instruction, it is not going to cause infertility. However, misusing or overusing it could affect your cycle and lead to hormonal imbalance, which may temporarily affect your fertility. So don't misuse or overuse Postinor 2 if you don't want it to affect your fertility. So that brings us to the 10th point, which is Postinor is not for regular use. It is not something you should use frequently. I've heard women say, I use it whenever I have sexual intercourse and I've been good. That is dangerous, and it should not be used more than once in a cycle. When you overuse it, it can mess up your hormones and your period. Long term, it is not a safe contraceptive method. If you find yourself using Postinor regularly, just go and see your doctor for better long-term contraceptive options. Postinor can be a lifesaver in emergencies, right? But it is not a long-term solution. Just use it wisely, correctly, and when absolutely needed. Did any of these facts surprise you? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Always remember, your health is your wealth, and little changes makes a big difference. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.